Hey everybody, good morning. So I wanted to share something with you guys today. Yesterday, I butchered chickens with one of my sisters, and it was the first time doing this kind of like on my own as the person in charge as an adult. And so it was a little bit of a learning curve, but it was really great. We learned together, and I think next time we do it, it's going to be much faster. We're going to know what we're doing. I did not film that for you guys because I am not an expert, and there are so many great videos already on YouTube that will teach you how to do that. However, I did want to show you my Ofal collection. I saved the heads, the feet, the gizzards, the liver, the hearts, all of the fat I'm going to render into schmaltz. My littlest one really loves the chicken feet, so she sees them on the table and she's trying to grab the chicken feet. Also, I retired 2 laying hens, and that was such a neat biology lesson. The half-formed eggs in her system still. It was really interesting. And so I actually pulled out one egg that had a shell, one egg that was in formation. It had the white and the yolk put together but no shell, and then a bunch of immature yolks. So I'll show you guys that. All right, here we have it. This is all of my offal, or organs, feet, all of the kind of offcuts in the cast iron. Here I have all of the fat that I'm going to render into schmaltz. These are the gizzards, liver, hearts, yolks that were inside of my 2 laying hens, the fully formed egg that was in one of my laying hens, and then all of the feet and a couple of skinned heads there. So I'm going to be doing a few fun things with these. I'm really not sure what I'm going to do with the heart and the gizzards yet. The yolks I'm going to use in a rich bread, probably make some cinnamon rolls. The liver is going to be a lovely pate. The heads and the feet are going into the freezer for stock. And the fat is going to be schmaltz. So those recipes will be coming soon. So that is my collection of all of the little off parts of meat. I'm trying really hard not to waste anything. There's the oven timer for the schmaltz. I'm trying really hard not to waste anything, as much as possible to cut the waste and use every part of the animal. So some of this is new to me this year. If you guys have any tried and true recipes for using any of these parts of the chicken, please let me know. I would love to see how you use them. Thanks. Have a great one.